Hi! In front of me is Redmi 12 and today I would like to show you how you can set up app lock. You need to begin by going into settings and scrolling all the way down right away. Now access apps section. Following that, tap on app lock and tap on turn on at the bottom. Now you need to create your pattern that you will use to lock your apps. Repeat it in order to confirm it. And choose next at the bottom right corner. Now you can log in to your Xiaomi account by tapping on Sign In and Add. If you don't want to do that, just click on Not Now and hit Not Now in the pop-up. If you wish to lock all of those apps, just tap on Use App Lock right away. If you don't, you have to click on all of those apps and then check for 0. Now you can tap on Use App Lock. Decide if you wish to use fingerprint to unlock your apps by selecting Settings or Cancel in the pop-up. And tap on all of those switches next to all of those apps that you wish to lock. I will go with YouTube. So when I click and then try to access YouTube, I can see that pattern is now required. If you wish to disable app lock from chosen app, go into exactly the same settings and enter your app lock pattern. Then tap on the same no blue sweater next to previously locked app. In order to disable app lock completely, tap on this gear at the top right corner and hit blue sweater next to app lock feature. Lastly, confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!